In this video, you'll see how to use OptinMonster with MemberPress. OptinMonster is a lead generation plugin for WordPress that lets you create eye-catching opt-in forms that can increase sales, grow your mailing list, and a whole lot more. Create things like pop-ups, floating bars, and scroll boxes easily with over 100 templates. The MemberPress and OptinMonster integration is automatic without any additional setup required. When you have both plugins installed on your WordPress site, you'll unlock MemberPress-specific options in OptinMonster. So, from the WordPress dashboard, I'll go to OptinMonster here on the left sidebar, and Campaigns. You can see I have 2 campaigns already created on my site. This first one will display on my pricing page, where users can compare my membership plans and buy one. So, if I open my site and click Sign Up, it's this page here. So, I'm going to have a pop-up show when anyone visits the page, making them aware of a new sale. And then, back in OptinMonster, I'm going to have a slide-in on one of my courses in MemberPress Courses. It'll let users know about a new course that I have for sale on my site. So if I click my first campaign, you could see the pop-up here. And this was made using a Cyber Monday template in OptinMonster. And then going back, if I click my slide-in, here it is advertising my course. And this was created with an OptinMonster template too. So, as long as you have OptinMonster and MemberPress installed, you'll be able to see the integrations options. So, going to OptinMonster and Campaigns, I'll click Output Settings under my pop-up. And then you can see this section here for MemberPress settings. You have a lot of options on when and where to show the pop-up on MemberPress pages. Over here under Visibility and Status, you can choose to show the pop-up to all site visitors and logged in users, to only site visitors, or to only those logged in. Here, you can choose to only show the pop-up to people with an active membership to whatever membership that you select. Just click on them here to select which ones you want. And here you can choose to not show the pop-up to certain members. So say if I have a pop-up or something that's trying to upsell someone to a Pro membership tier, you could select your Pro membership here so they don't see it. And these 2 options let you show or hide the pop-up to people with any membership in a MemberPress group that you select. So in my case, I have 2 memberships in my group, Basic and Pro. You might use these options if you plan to add more membership tiers to your group later. That way, people with those new memberships will see your pop-up or whatever it is without you having to come back in this campaign and add the new memberships. And then here, you can choose to show it on all your site's membership registration pages and thank you pages after users make a purchase. Or you can choose to show it on specific membership registration pages here. Show on these group pages is where you can display the pop-up on a group pricing page, which we saw earlier on my site. And you can show the pop-up on course pages, individual lessons, and even quizzes. You might be able to upsell some additional learning material on a quiz page, for example. So, in case someone bombed the quiz and realized they need some help, your shiny new learning material is right there waiting for them to purchase. So, for my pop-up, I want it to display for everyone on my pricing page. So, under Show on these group pages, I'll select my group. Then I'll be sure to save the changes. And also make sure to select Publish as the campaign status. Now I'll go back to my site and head to the pricing page. And then if I wait a moment, here's the pop-up. So you have a ton of flexibility over where exactly to show your OptinMonster campaigns. And they work with pages styled with MemberPress Ready Launch too, like you see here. So going back to the dashboard and Campaigns, I'll go into the output settings of my slide-in now. Then I'll set this one to display in a course of mine. Then I'll save it and make sure it's published. Now I'll go back to my site and navigate to my course. And here's my slide-in advertising my new course. You've now seen how to use OptinMonster with MemberPress. See our knowledge base for more information, and check out OptinMonster's documentation too for more guidance on creating campaigns. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos that makes getting MemberPress up and running a breeze.